Evie.
Hi, I'm Paola.
And today we're going to be making for you a beef stew.
A beef bourguignon using some local produce, some rump steak from Gingin and some vegetables from the southwest. First we start with some extra virgin olive oil. I use extra virgin, but you don't have to. You can use any type of olive oil. And let it heat up. Now first we have to brown the rump steak in batches because otherwise they'll just boil and sear rather than frying off. So Evie, would you like to start us off? It's got to brown. Yeah, you'll hear it sizzling. So whilst Evie is browning the meat in batches, I am just squashing a bit of garlic and cutting it up, ready to add to the meat mixture. But we're not quite at the stage of adding it yet. The meat has to be nicely browned before we do that. We are going to add some bay leaves from my bay leaf tree. They need to fry with the onions and garlic.
Infuse the flavours.
That's right. Very flavourful, Evie. Okay, let's put in the... Is it oregano or...
Oregano.
Or... Oregano.
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 Yeah, well, not all of us can speak fluently.
Good. Good. We're now at the stage of adding tomato paste to the onions, garlic and herbs. So this is the beef stock which we will be using once the meat is browned. So Evie, now we add the beef stock to the...
Do we add the whole thing?
Let's just see how we go. We'll add most of it. There is a lot of meat, so I think we probably can add all of it. Now we're going to roughly chop some royal blue potatoes. And I'm leaving the skin on, and I know this won't appeal to everybody. The potatoes have been washed, by the way. I do it because all the goodness of a potato is in the skin, as far as I know.
What are some other vegetables you could use if carrot isn't one of your faves?
You could use turnip or swede, sweet potato, beans, but you'd have to put them in towards the end of the cooking process because they would cook too fast and they'd go all soggy.
How about like baby spinach?
Yeah, but the whole idea about this is that it's a rustic stew, so it's got like big bits of... You could put spinach in it, but it wouldn't be as a substitute for carrots or...
Yeah, just to add a bit of colour.
True.
Okay.
It's looking pretty brown, isn't it? So Evie, how many times a week would you eat red meat?
I'd say maybe 3 or 4.
Okay. So do you have roast or do you have steak?
So we do roast, steak, mince.
And does Nonna make beef ragu as well?
Yes, she does. I really like her beef ragu.
Yeah.
And Dad also makes a good, we call it an army stew, but it's not as good as this.
Fantastic.
Meat provides protein, which is an energy, and it's important for us to have a sustainable amount of energy so that our bodies can develop.
What else is red meat high in?
Iron.
Which is very important for a growing girl, isn't it?
Because a lot of girls have iron deficiency.
They do. So Evie, I think we're about ready to serve this up. How would you serve it up? Would you have it on top of mash or rice or steamed veg?
I'd say some bread.
Some bread?
To dip it in.
Okay.
Yeah.
So here we go, Evie, the finished product. Are you going to try it?
Yeah, it looks yum.
Okay.
We could dig right in there.
Dig right in.